Gates open, they're up and racing. Sheila Princess draws for your lead. Moving up by the rail is Look of Love. Then comes from this moment, Batang Aplaya. Blitzkrieg is sneaking in down on the inside is Bombardier, followed by Santito. Reporter is on the outside. Next in line, Rompe Candado. Ribaldo, fourth last. Third last, King's Crown. Second last, number 1, Buenas Hope. And trailing the group is Kid Dugo. Heading towards the 1,000-meter mark, we have Look of Love in command by about 2 lengths. From this moment is in second, running by the rail. Bombardier. Reporter is on the outside, fourth. Running now in fifth, Blitzkrieg by the rail. Santito. Moving upon the outside is Rivaldo as they pass the last 800 and going to the final 600. Look of Love just in front from this moment. Moving up now to grab the lead. Together is Reporter. Bombardier is by the rail as they turn towards the last 450. From this moment, this time by about a length and a half, running in second on the outside is Reporter. Blitzkrieg moving up to take third from the outside by the rail is Bombardier. With the last 200 meters more to run from this moment. This time leading the field by about 6 lengths. Running in second still is Reporter, and moving up on the outside is Blitzkrieg by the rail. Bombardier. With the last 50 meters, it's all from this moment. Second, Blitzkrieg, Reporter, Bombardier, and King's Crown for your Pentapecta.